YouTube, how we doing, everybody? We're doing good? What I'd like to hear. Continuing down the story of Sleep Token. Today, ladies and gentlemen, we have Rain. Let's get into this. I'm excited. I'm excited to continue this journey. I know where this is coming to a close with the story. I think we have like one more to do after this. Oh man, what a story it has been. After all these songs, they all blend together. And it's just nuts. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Rain.
For so long I have waited, so long that I almost became just a stoic statue fit for nobody, and I don't wanna get in your way, but I finally think I can say that the vicious cycle was over the moment you smiled at me.
The vicious cycle is over the moment you smiled at me. Oh, okay.
And just like the rain, you cast the dust into nothing and wash out the soul from my head. So touch me again, I feel my shadow dissolving. Will you cleanse me with pleasure?
Will you cleanse me with pleasure? So is he talking to the entity? For so long I've waited that it almost became dead.
Is that cabin cool cut that I can get down with, up like the moon and out like the hounds? A dangerous disposition, somehow refracted in light, reflected in sound. I'm coiled up like a venomous serpent, tangled in your trance, and I'm certain you have got your hooks in me. I know the way that it goes. You get what you give, you reap what you sow, and I can see you in my face. And I know I am what I am, the mouth of the wolf, the eyes of the lamb. So darling, will you saturate? Just like the rain, you cast the dust into nothing and wash out the salt from my head.
Oh my god. And just like the rain, you cast the dust into nothing? Oh my god. Woo.
So touch me again, I feel my shadow dissolving. Will you cleanse me with pleasure? Nobody can say for certain if maybe it's all just a game. When I open my eyes to the future, I can hear you say my name. So rain down on me. Oh, rain down on me. Oh, rain down on me.
Oh, this is my favorite song so far. Oh my god.
The future, I can hear you say
That transported me to like a different place. Oh my gosh.
my name. So rain down on me. Oh, rain down on me. Oh, rain down on me. Oh, rain down on me. Rain down on me. Yeah, rain down on me.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I lost it. It's him moving on. Rain down on me. Wash it away. Oh my god, let's talk about it. It rained down on me. Wash it all away. I want to move on. I'm done with this. I've become a better person. I have adapted. I have changed. So rain down on me. Wash away all my sins. Cleanse me with pleasure. Oh my god. This is insane. That is my favorite song. Like that I have heard so far. That is my favorite song. Every aspect. Dude, I've completely lost it. Oh my god. I felt that in my soul. Oh, that is immediately going into a playlist. Oh my god. That dude, that I don't know what it is. That song is like serenity. It's oh my god. I don't know what to say. I am literally like in front of your eyes. I am losing my shit. Oh my god. Ladies and gentlemen, if you like the video, like the video. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. And if you did hit that subscribe button, be sure to turn on this post notifications so you know when I upload another video. And as always, tell someone you love them. And most important of all, you matter. Now I'm going to go listen to the song about 100 more times. Peace and love, and I will catch y'all in the next one.